Good morning. According to Catholic interpretation, Hebrews 2, verses 5 through 8, emphasizes that Jesus Christ, by taking on human nature, became a, quote, little lower than the angels, close quote, to ultimately be exalted above all creation, fulfilling the destiny of humanity by subjecting the world to him, not to angels, as seen in Psalm 8, 4 through 6, essentially highlighting that Jesus, through his suffering and death, achieved the salvation of mankind by becoming like them and conquering death on their behalf. There are 4 keys that we need to be aware of. The first one is Christ's incarnation. By becoming human, Jesus took this lower status, experiencing the limitations of human life, including suffering and death, in order to redeem humanity. Very simple and short. Another is victory over death. Through his resurrection, Jesus triumphed over death and is now exalted as the head of all creation, with all things ultimately subject to him. The next key is the role of suffering. Jesus' suffering was not a weakness, but a necessary part of his mission to become the perfect sacrifice for humanity's sins. The last key is humanity's dominion. God appointed man, not angels, to rule over earth. Man has failed to rule over the earth because he fell into sin through Adam. But Jesus has restored the rights of humans to reign and invite each believer to share this inheritance with him by sharing in his suffering. So when we have to suffer, we need to keep that in mind. Amen.
Amen.